lion. I live in the Gir forest of India. I am called the king of the forest. Very good at hunting, but I like to sleep during the day and hunt at night. I have strong claws and sharp teeth, which help me to hunt my prey and eat the flesh. That's why I'm called the carnivorous animal. Long hair on my neck is called mane, and the bush hairs at the end of my tail is called tassel. I love to move in the group, and my group is called Tribe. And today, in RJ Learning Fun, you are going to listen a very interesting story, the L sound story. L for lion.
L sound story. The name of the letter is small l and the sound is L. This is small l and the phonic sound of this letter is L. So we'll call it L sound story. And the characters of our story are, this is boy Lalit and these are Lalit's friend Lucky and Leena. This is Lippy Lion and this is a lizard. One day, Lalit, along with his friends Lucky and Leena, went to the seashore. This is a seashore. Lalit went to the seashore with his friend Lucky and Leena. They saw a lighthouse. They saw a lighthouse in the sea. They saw a lighthouse and a ship in the sea. This is a lighthouse, and this is a ship. On the seashore, there was a big building. This is a big building near the seashore, and people were going up and down in the lift. This is a lift, and the people are using this lift to go up and down in the building. A lorry stopped near the building. This is a lorry. It stopped near the building, and the driver opened the door. Driver opened the door of the lorry. What happened then? A big lion and a lizard came out of it. From the lorry, who came out? This Lippy Lion and this lizard. The lion ran after Lalit. Lalit quickly climbed up the ladder. When lion was about to catch his leg, he lifted it up and saved himself. So we can say very smartly, Lalit saved himself. Although he was afraid to see the lion, but he ran fast and climbed up the ladder. So we can say that Lalit was a very smart and brave boy. Leena saw Lalit while he was carrying a lamp. So Leena was carrying a lamp and she saw that a lion is after the Lalit. And she knew that lion could attack them also. So she told Lucky to throw the lollipop and hide behind the leaves of a plant. We can say that Leena was also an intelligent girl. She immediately sensed the danger and gave good advice to Lucky. This way, all the friends helped each other and all were safe. A friend in need is a friend indeed. बच्चों, हमें हर मुश्किल में अपने फ्रेंड्स की हेल्प करनी चाहिए. Now let's revise the vocabulary words of sound L. First, the proper nouns, the names. L Lalit, this is proper noun. L Lucky, this is proper noun. L Leena, this is proper noun. And this lion Lippy, this Lippy is also proper noun. Now comes the common nouns. This L lizard, name of the animal, common noun. L lion, L ladder, L leg, L lighthouse, L lift, L lamp, L lollipop and L leaves and this L lorry. These are all common nouns and these all common nouns start with phonic sound L. In our previous videos, we have learned about the action words. So, which action word have you listened in the story? First, the climb. Lalit, climb up the ladder. So, this climb is a action word. Leena is carrying. C-A-R-R-Y-I-N-G. This carrying is action word. Lion is catching. So, this catching is also action word. Lucky is eating lollipop. So, this eating is also action word. Climb, carrying, catching, eating, these are all action words. And all the action words are called verbs. Now it's time to practice writing A to L. First letter is A. A as in apple, then B as in ball, K as in cat, D as in doll, E as in elephant, F as in fan, G as in goat, H as in hat, E as in igloo, J as in joker. The last video we have made of this, K as in kettle, kid, kite, kangaroo, key. So A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, E, J, K. Now today we have learned the story of this L. Very easy. Make a small line, then go to the right. Small line, make a curve. Small line, make a tail to the right. Small line, make a tail to the right. This is L. L as in lamb, L as in lion, L ladder, L lollipop, L lizard, L lighthouse, L leg. So this is L. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you are enjoying these phonic stories. Till now we have done 12 phonic stories. From A to L we have done 12 phonic stories. In case you have missed any phonic story, please do check the description box. The links of all the stories are there. Now answer these comprehension questions. Who came out of the lorry? Where did Lalit climb? What was Lucky eating? What was Leena carrying? See you soon with next sound story, that is M sound story. But don't forget to revise the vocabulary words. And if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe to get the notification of next story. Till then, bye. Take care.